Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is extremely important for anyone involved in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Tablet defects equals small mistakes, big quality risks. Why do tablets fail? Tablets usually do not fail because of operators alone. They fail because of weak or poorly understood processes, such as poor granulation quality, improper drying, incorrect compression parameters, poor powder flow, lack of scientific process understanding. Let's now go through the most common tablet defects, their real root causes, and smart pharmaceutical remedies. Capping, defect, separation of the top or bottom of the tablet, cap comes off. Root causes, overly dry granules, air entrapment during compression, weak binding. Smart remedies, optimize granulation moisture, use pre-compression, improve granule density, maintain proper binder levels. Lamination, defect, tablet splits into two or more horizontal layers. Root causes, excessive compression force, trapped air, improper lubrication. Smart remedies, optimize compression force, improve deaeration, ensure uniform lubrication. Sticking, defect, tablet material sticks to punch faces. Root causes, wet or sticky granules, hygroscopic APIs, inadequate lubrication. Smart remedies, ensure proper drying, use anti-adherents, keep punch faces clean and polished. Picking, defect, material is removed from the tablet surface and sticks to engraved punches. Root causes, sticky granules, deep or rough punch engravings, inadequate drying. Smart remedies, polish punch faces, optimize drying, optimize engraving design. Mottling, defect, uneven color distribution on tablets. Root causes, poor blending, dye migration, non-uniform drying. Smart remedies, improve blending uniformity, control drying conditions, ensure proper color dispersion. Weight variation, defect, inconsistent tablet weight. Root causes, poor powder flow, improper hopper feeding, segregation of blend. Smart remedies, improve flow properties, optimize hopper settings, use suitable glidance. Hardness variation, defect, inconsistent tablet hardness. Root causes, variable compression force, non-uniform granulation. Smart remedies, control granule size distribution, maintain consistent compression force, monitor hardness in real time. High friability, defect, tablets chip or break easily. Root causes, low binder concentration, low compression force, weak granule structure. Smart remedies, increase binder concentration, optimize compression force, improve granule strength. Double impression, defect, duplicate markings on tablet surface. Root causes, free rotation of punches, punch design issues. Smart remedies, use keyed punches, ensure proper punch alignment. Cracking, defect, visible cracks on tablet surface. Root causes, overly dry granules, fast decompression, elastic recovery of material. Smart remedies, optimize moisture content, adjust compression speed, increase dwell time if required. Conclusion, in pharmaceutical manufacturing, strong process equals fewer defects, weak process equals more inspection, more rejection, and higher risk. Your focus should always be on process understanding, root cause analysis, continuous improvement. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with your pharma colleagues, subscribe to the channel for more pharma manufacturing and quality content.